Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Bitcoin Liz and it is amazing to have you back here on my channel as always. So today I really of course want to take a look at the markets, which is so significant, especially having in mind that we still have so many exciting things going on. We still have the Bitcoin halving before us and we still are wondering, have we entered alt season? What is going on with all altcoins and Bitcoin dominance, of course. And before we do that, I want to share some other exciting news with you. So we have hit another really significant milestone when it comes to crypto. So the crypto market cap has officially reached 300 billion, which of course is amazing, especially having in mind how quick the journey has been. So in 1 month ago, the crypto market cap was approximately 218 billion. And now in 1 month, we have reached 300 billion. So the journey has really been like super steep and quick, which of course is so exciting to see. But I want to also compare this with something else, so you kind of get perspective on how much more potential we do have in the crypto market. So think about, let me just do like this. So I want to compare this, for example, the 300 billion, I want to compare it to the market cap of Apple. The market cap of Apple is currently approximately 1.4 trillion. And I mean, we can also do Amazon. Amazon has currently 1 trillion. So imagine how small 300 billion is compares to 1.4 trillion. I mean, it's basically a piss in Mississippi. So you really see, if you put this to perspective, that it's really small compared to that. And that is only the the value of the stocks of Apple stocks. So imagine all the stocks in the whole world and compare that to the whole crypto market. I mean, it's basically, you can't compare it because they're so different. So what I want to say with this is that we do have so much more potential where we can reach. I mean, we do see amazing value of the stock market, and why can't we be there? Of course, that should be your goal. We can be there. And especially having in mind all the different use cases that crypto is providing. I mean, looking at remittance, looking at global payments, these are so significant things. And we just need one of them to succeed globally to be able to start reaching the same levels as the stock market has. So I really think you should put this to perspective. I mean, 300 billion, it's amazing, it's a big number, but if you compare it to other things, I mean, things in the financial markets, I mean, it's not that significant, and we still have such a big way, and we have so much, we can reach so much higher. So that's what I wanted to talk about firstly. Second thing, let's move into the markets. Let me put it up here. So we do have Bitcoin currently still over 10K, but we do see a little correction there, but we still are over the psychological 10K line, which of course is amazing. And we do see basically all other alts following after. We do see some little corrections here, but overall we are looking quite good, I would say. And have we entered alt season? Of course, I mean, looking at Bitcoin dominance, which is a great way to, analyzing tool to just quickly see if alts are performing better. So usually when we are entering bull market, people tend to take more risk, because maybe Bitcoin is not as appealing because the journey upwards isn't that steep. And the ones who are really there who want to have quick returns and like really triple or double their assets, I mean, alts are the way, right? Alts are doing that. But of course, it's very important to have in mind the risks you also are taking then. But basically, during bull market, people are turning more of their attention to altcoins, because of course they may seem more attractive and appealing during those times. Because as we have seen yesterday, Hedera, or I think it was, yesterday, Hedera Hashgraph, for example, had was 140% plus. I mean, that is huge. Imagine the gains there. So of course, alts are turning more attractive during bull markets, and then Bitcoin dominance, of course, decreases. However, looking at bear markets, when people tend to like to take less risk, people usually sell all their parts or all of their alts basically and just keep Bitcoin usually. And I mean, that's also what I did the last bear market. I mean, I sold all my alts and just kept Bitcoin. Of course, I also kept Ethereum because I still really think Ethereum is really significant. I mean, especially having in mind all the possibilities they provide developers. I mean, and having in mind DeFi and, well, Ethereum 2.0 coming. So they do a lot of things, and therefore I don't really think you can compare ETH and Bitcoin and like on the same level, because they provide different solutions for different problems, and they both are really, really great. So yes, looking at alts then, I do think that we can say, looking at the Bitcoin dominance, that we have entered alt season, and of course people can go quite crazy when it comes to alts, because they're getting greedy and they want to have quick returns and high returns in short term. And I mean, in short term that can work, but always, as I'm saying, don't be too greedy and don't put more money in that you can lose, because I mean, it can be really, really hurtful. But looking at long term, you probably should look, as you can imagine, more at Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I do think that is more long term and they are here to stay. And one strategy you can have, of course, is to invest one like monthly amount or weekly, how you want, basically to DCA. I think that is a good strategy to have, because I mean, you can't always beat the market. I mean, you don't know how the price is going to develop. So if you're thinking more long term, do DCA or something similar. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you think of how we entered alt season and what alts are your favorites, and that would be really interesting to hear. And of course, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and if you want to leave a donation, you can do that, and you can also support the channel by checking out my affiliate links below. And looking forward to hang out with you guys very soon again. See you guys. Goodbye.